again, this is the final look. I really hope you beginners out there watching this really found this helpful. Yeah, it's really simple, easy, good base for like getting into like the makeup world. You know, you always want your eyebrows to like flake. And no, my eyebrows aren't normally like naturally arched like this. I get them threaded, so they look a little bit more clean than most days. And also just a tip, if you are wanting to, you know, get like your eyebrows fixed, I say get them threaded and not waxed, because sometimes the harsh chemicals have a bad reaction to your skin. And yeah, so threading is always the best way to go. So once again, I hope y'all found this helpful, and make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment on what you want to see. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.